Police in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Parker County in north central Texas, western Tarrant County in north central Texas, until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:34 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Eagle Mountain, moving southwest at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Haltom City, Saginaw, Eagle Mountain, Blue Mound, and Pelican Bay around 4:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Lake Worth around 4:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. River Oaks, Sansom Park, and Lakeside around 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. White Settlement and Westworth Village around 5:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Benbrook and Aledo around 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Annetta North, Millsap, Sanctuary, Westover Hills, Annetta South, and Newark. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 35W between mile markers 45 and 67. Interstate 20 between mile markers 392 and 436. Interstate 30 between mile markers 1 and 16. Interstate 820 between mile markers 1 and 18. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.